The Fantom R Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new Fantom R Wallet. This is a refined version of the original wallet, which still features the unique fanning of the cards for easy access. The company sent this out for me to review. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. It comes in a simple, sleek packaging. And here you see the wallet. This version is the light wood and has a max capacity of about 10 cards. These wallets come with a card fanning lever, an all aluminum chassis, thin design, lightweight, and the optional money clip. It comes in 6 designs with 10 optional colors for the money clip. The models are the R7, which can hold 4 to 7 cards, the R10, 5 to 10 cards, and the R13, which can hold 7 to 13 cards. They come in wood, leather, and carbon fiber design, and the optional money clip comes in 10 colors. As mentioned earlier, this is an aluminum ceramic coated chassis, which is an upgrade from the previous model that were plastic. It also provides RFID protection. This is the R10 version with the light wood finish. It feels very light and durable, and has that nice wood finish, and the aluminum chassis all around with the branding on the front. And here is the back view. On the top you have the lever that will assist in fanning out the cards, and the bottom has the money clip mounting points, which we'll go over shortly. The lever opens and closes very smooth, and it does not have a snappy feel to it. You can see the arm inside that pushes the cards out. This can hold up to 10 cards, and that is also dependent on the style of the cards, whether they are embossed or flat. Here I have 6 cards for demonstration purposes. Just stack them together and slide them inside the wallet, and you will feel it click into place. And then it's just a matter of lifting the lever and the cards fan out. It's good to place your most used card on top, and you can use your thumb to push it out. This is the optional money clip. This version is the titanium finish. Inside, it comes with a hex key and 2 screws. And installing it is just a matter of a few turns. You can either have the clip on the front or the back. And here it is fully installed. It feels very secure and solid. The R10 version comes in at roughly 2.7 by 4.5 by 0.4 of an inch. And weight-wise, it comes in at 67 grams. The Fantom R is a very impressive wallet. It has a sleek, rugged look, and it feels very well made. I like the multiple finishes available and the assortment of money clips. This is definitely a good way to carry and organize your cards. and accessing them makes it even easier with the fanning design. So if you are in the market for a wallet and want something durable, check out the Fantom R Wallet. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.